Charlotte reported 47. Elizabethtown reported 46. And Fairfield reported 47.
Situations or other emergencies, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. The variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warnings, selected watches, and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Petite, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Iredell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Royan, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Floyd, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pittsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone in the test of the Weather Radio's warning alarm system. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards, station WXL58, operating on frequency 162.55 megahertz.
Bruh.
This program originates from the National Weather Service in Raleigh.
Highs in the upper 60s. Northeast winds around 5 miles per hour, becoming east this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing.
There it is.
This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station WXL50 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in North Carolina: Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Robeson, Sampson, and Scotland, and in South Carolina for Marlborough and Dillon counties. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. And now taking a look at the forecast. Patchy frost, 54.
So, the lights are going crazy because this capture was officially EAS number 200. I have posted 200 EAS captures to this channel. NOAA Weather Radio, FM radio, it all adds up to 200 captures on this channel. So, and it hasn't really even been a year since I started. Actually, it's getting pretty close to a year. I do not remember. Let me. I honestly forgot when I made my first capture. So give me a second. Let me look this up. tomorrow, this is my first ever EAS capture. It's on my old channel. Tomorrow will mark 1 year since my first ever EAS capture. That is actually crazy. I just want to give a quick few shout outs. Southeast New York WX, formerly JTR Games. He is the one. He's really the one who made me find out that weather radios existed, and he's the one that made me want to get this WR120 for Christmas. And I remember I kept telling myself, okay, we're only gonna do one radio, but then this happened. I also want to give another shout out to Lushy, aka Alfie. He helped me on Monday when we had the moderate bust. I also want to give a shout out to JCLT, WX, and EAS for being cool and also providing some voice lines for Weather Service Mayhem Part 3. Basically, anybody who's been nice to me in the EAS community, shout out to you. Shout out to you. I just want to say no shout out to this zone guard for not activating. So, yeah, that's 200 captures. But it's not gonna stop. The captures are not gonna stop anytime soon. The captures are not gonna stop unless NOAA weather radio ceases to exist, which probably won't. So, yeah. Thank you for watching. See you next time.